How to disable or turn off Instagram story comments. So first things first is open up your Instagram application. Now, if that specific feature is not showing or not visible on your end, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the application. Just head out to your app store and then just look for Instagram and update it. Next thing to do is open up your Instagram application and log into your account. Head straight into your account settings in the top right portion, which is going to be the three lines. Scroll down just a little bit till you find the field that says how others can interact with you. You should now then be able to see comments. Head on that and then go into stories. Now to disable comments on stories, just simply choose on off, go all the way back to fully confirm it. So that is how you disable or turn off Instagram story comments.